Product Summit.
I found some of the presentations around the different impacts very interesting. As a manufacturer, there's a whole supply chain, so there's scope 1, scope 2, scope 3, and they really need to think about all of those elements to be a sustainable manufacturer. And I think the summit did a really good job of covering the ingredients and how that could be improved, about the potential business costs and how to manage that, but also the consumer usage of the product, and really think about how we can use less water with laundry products, and how can we enable consumers to use them in a way that wastes less energy.
Just really interested to see what other innovations were being done in the field around kind of cleaning in general, and if there are any ideas and partners that we could maybe reach out to try new ideas, maybe try some new research together and just see what other people were doing, and also share a bit naively our story as well to other people to maybe inspire other business models. But Loop and those kind of models and us are very synergistic, so there's a lot to share, which is awesome.
Events as this one, yes, sure they are important, because you always need the gathering of talking together, exchanging information, and see how you can improve or which way you should take for the future.
So we hope to see you again at the Sustainable Cleaning Product Summit, either here in Paris or in New York.